Hi, I'm Nina Bullock with Calhoun Community College, and my idea is how to go green and paper design. Americans waste about 68 tons of paper a year. That's a lot of paper. In a design drafting area, you tend to use a lot of paper because you print, you review, you correct, you edit, you print, and in one sheet of drawing, it can go through a process of maybe printing it about 10 times. That's a lot. So one of the concepts I have is using a design review product. This is a program, and you can see here that you can mark it up. An instructor can mark it up. The students also had to go ahead and print it out. It tracks all the changes. When they make the changes, they can highlight it's yellow. Then it has other color codes in here for, like, if they have a question about something or they want to review about something, you can stamp it with preliminary stamps. But this product right here is absolutely free, downloadable, and you can learn it in 5 to 10 minutes. To me, this is a great way to save paper. Any visual art program can actually use this program because you can use JPEGs, TIFFs, you can use PDFs. Any type of file format you can bring into this particular format and use this editing tool. Great, free, paperless society. You can also send it to anywhere in the U.S. So this would be a big paper savings in a drafting or a visual arts program. The other thing that I would talk about is a camera. Pretty much you can take a camera and shoot a picture of something and use it for reference. You can take as many as you want because we have digital cameras now. Takes no paper, save it on the computer, and there you go. Another way to save paper is for projects. Instead of having them print out this project, you can notice how you have a historical style of homes where they take and look up a style. They give the characteristics of it, and they give the historical background to it. Well, if they have about 5 or 10 different styles, that's a lot of paper. But they can do it in PowerPoint, use a presentation, and it's not wasted one single sheet of paper. And it also gives them a marketing standpoint to where they can demonstrate how to market a product. So that's a really great way to teach students soft skills and presentation skills and save paper. The next thing I want to talk about is you use a lot of objects in having students draw things. Well, if you just make some objects, then they can take and measure these objects with a caliper, and they can take and draw these objects. So this can be used repeatedly. How much paper you use there? None. So that's another great way to reduce waste and paper. This can also be used in a visual art program because you can take and have objects made up that the students need to draw. This can be used in elementary school. So a great way to save paper. The last thing that I would like to talk about is any teacher could use is you take a program on your computer and use a test program for taking tests. If you have bubble test, you can have the students take the test. A lot of your vendors provide those free. So this is another great opportunity to save paper. So this is my presentation about how to save paper, and basically if there's 68 tons of paper wasted a year, if we could get all the teachers on board, all the colleges on board, teach our students, they're going to take this to industry with them, and we're going to save a tree.